What is the best config for PumpBot? Many of you guys were asking this question. If you'd like to know the answer, you have to accept the fact that there is no exact answer. I can set up a config for my VPS which could make no profit on your PC. You can be a whale trying to gamble your 20 bucks on a hotbit pump, and I could use my full capital aiming for only plus 3% per pump. We are all different traders with different goals, and these were just examples. This is the main reason why you don't get any reaction to any, "Can you send me your config file?" or "What is the best config?" type of questions. There is no point sharing it, and there are no best settings. You should watch the pumps and take notes before placing any serious investment. That's why we offer free trials. The key is testing and testing and testing. So here you can see a pump in candles. You can see the date and the name of the coin. I need to tell you that this is not a best practices, this is just an example. I generally run PumpBot 4 minutes before the announcement to make sure everything works properly, marked with black. I load prices 3 minutes before the announcement, marked with yellow, and I start detecting right after that. What about config parameters? You should leave most values at their defaults. Change the manual quoted parameter to the amount of USDT you want to use for the pump. Buy limit is the multiplier for the maximum buying price. This means that after coin name detection, it will place a buy limit order at the price at price loading, multiplied by this value. This parameter is for pre-pump protection. This may sound a bit hard to understand at first, but I'm going to show you how simple it is. This is the price when I loaded prices. My buy limit value is 2.4. So if the price was here when we loaded prices, the buy limit offer will placed at loaded price multiplied with buy limit value. So it will buy at the best price, maxed out at that calculated value. If you set a lower buy limit value, you may miss the pump, because the price may have already moved higher than your limit order. We call this pre-pump protection. If your buy order fills, that means you got a good entry price for this pump. The higher the buy limit value, the better your chance of entering the pump, but the higher your chance of buying at peak, so you may not be able to make a profit. This is how buy limit works. Seconds to keep limit buy order open means how many seconds you want your buy order be open. After the defined value in seconds, your buy limit order will be canceled. Create take profit order value is a Boolean. It has 2 values, true or false. If you want to place a sell order immediately after your buy order is filled, set this to true. The next parameter will be skipped if this parameter is false. Take profit trigger value means the multiplier of your sell order to your buy order. This is basically the profit you aim for. My buy limit value is 2.4. Let's say my take profit trigger is 2.2, so it will place a sell order at the price of my buy order multiplied by 2.2. If you set this value lower, you have a better chance of making a profit because you have a better chance of filling your sell order. A higher value means higher profit, but a higher chance the pumped price won't reach your take profit price. You should consider setting this parameter based on the previous pumps of the group. Limit price multiplier is the value that you use at panic sell. When you use panic sell, it will place a sell order at the current price multiplied by this value. I personally would try the pump detector instead of PumpBot on this group because they pumped before the announcement. I hope most of your questions got answered here. This guide is valid in the early days of March 2023. The bot might be updated at the time you are watching this video, so please check out our channel to get more recent guides. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Thanks for watching.